Why millions of Americans suddenly feel tired all the time? Something strange is happening in America. In New York City, people say they feel mentally exhausted every day. In Los Angeles, many people cannot sleep properly anymore. In Houston, workers say they wake up tired and after long time sleep. And in Chicago, stress and anxiety feel more common than never before. At first, nobody thought it was serious. People said it's just work stress. It's normal. Everyone feels tired. But then something changed. More and more Americans started saying the exact same thing. I don't feel like myself anymore. Modern America moves fast, very fast. People wake up early, rush through traffic, sit in front of screen for hours, drink coffee to stay awake, come home tired, then spend more hours on phones before sleeping. And the next day it happened again. In cities like Las Vegas, last stay on almost all night. In Miami, nightlife never truly stopped. In San Francisco, many workers spend entire days staring at screen. Slowly, the brain never gets real silence anymore. The strange symptoms. American online started talking about strange problems: brain fog, low energy, poor sleep, stress and anxiety, feeling emotionally empty. Some people said, I feel tired even after resting. Others said, I cannot focus like before. And many young Americans started feeling mentally burnout in their 20s. That scared people because normally young people should feel energetic. But now many say they feel exhausted all time. The phone addiction problem. Think about this carefully. The average American now check their phone again and again every single day. Morning, afternoon, night, even in bed. Phones become alarm clocks, entertainment, news, work, social life, everything. But many experts believe the human brain was never designed for non-stop stimulation. Every notification pulls attention, every video keeps the brain active, every stressful headline screen anxiety like my videos. And slowly people stop feeling calm. Why nights feel different now? Years ago, night were quiet. People slept earlier, streets become calm, the brain had time to rest. But today many American cities never become dark anymore. Huge LED lights, 24-hour stores, bright screen, traffic noise. Even at 2 a.m. many people are still scrolling online. Some Americans now say nighttime no longer feels peacefully. It feels overstimulating, busy, restless. And over time, poor sleep start affecting the body and mind. The loneliness crisis. Another strange problem growing in America is loneliness. Even though people are connected online, many feel disconnected in real life. Neighbors talk less, friends meet less often, families stay busy. Many people spend entire day online but still feel emotionally alone. And loneliness can seriously affect mental health. Some study even suggest long-term loneliness increase stress inside the body. That means many Americans are fighting silent mental pressure every single day without realizing it. In recent years, some Americans started leaving crowded cities. Many say they want peace, quiet, less stress, slower life. That's good for human mind. Some moved to smaller town, others wanted nature and silence again. Because after years of noise, traffic, pressure and screen, many people simply felt mentally exhausted. The scary part is not one disease. The scary part is that millions of people may slowly be accepting unhealthy stress as normal life. Sleeping less became success. Being exhausted became normal. Constant pressure became everyday reality. But humans were never designed to live under non-stop mental stimulation. And maybe that is the real silent crisis growing across America today. Not something people can easily see, but something millions quietly feels every single night. Do you think modern America life is becoming mentally unhealthy? Comment your opinion below.